Hi guys, welcome to Dizzy Thursday Live. I'm Rodrigo, the operations manager here at Dizzy Pig, and I'll be hosting the show today. Chris is out of town. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do a quick tour of our facilities here. We have our event room here, then we'll move to the store, and then we'll give you a glimpse of behind the scenes in a warehouse and the manufacturing area. So let's start here in our classroom. We do a good amount of events here, and the classroom is kind of the main room for that. One of the things that we do here is the Discovery Grilling classes. They take place one Saturday every month from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And it's a demonstration style class where we will prep and cook. We'll pull some grills outside, and everybody else kind of joins in the conversation with questions. We'll take volunteers from time to time. And the main goal of the class is to teach you to leave the thermometer and your watch to the side. It's important information, but we also want you to cook with your senses, to be able to adjust throughout the cook. We have our March 16th, we have a seafood class. The seafood is provided by our good friends of the company, Indigo Farm Seafood. Thank you. And we'll be cooking Bayouish blackened fish tacos, grilled salmon, mini crab cakes, IPA shrimp skewers. And then after that, April 6th, we have a poultry class. We'll be cooking spatchcock chicken, duck, and maybe some turkey, maybe something with eggs. So we have a couple. Those are the two classes coming up. Another thing that we do here, a free event that we do here every Thursday, the last Thursday of every month, we also take the grills outside, and from 11 to 2 p.m., you can come in, talk shop, try some of our samples, and enjoy some time with the team here. Autumn is going to post on the comment section the rest of the calendar for 2019. There's going to be a link right there. Let's move to the store. Over here, guys, we have the wall of trophies. I did not win any of these trophies, and I did not participate in the winning of these trophies. But, if you follow me over here, well, you're at the Dizzy Pig Barbecue Supply retail store. This store started in the old building as a small place where we could sell our seasonings and some of the products that we love. As we moved into this building, we expanded. Of course, we have the Big Green Egg and Big Green Egg accessories, but also the Gateway drum smokers, and we have 3 different models of the Cook Shack, as well as charcoal, wood chunks, pellets. So pretty much something for everybody. You don't have to have an egg. You can come here. There's stuff for gas grills too. People that cook on gas grills. Today I want to feature a couple of items that are made in Virginia. The first one that I want to talk about is the AR Hot Honey, Hot Southern Honey. This is honey that's infused with some chilies. The mild has the chili de árbol, and the hot has habanero. He also has a limited other variety. This is a bourbon honey stored in a bourbon barrel for a couple weeks and then repackaged. They actually use the bourbon barrel after they put the honey to actually make bourbon. So there's going to be some honey bourbon coming. We have the biltong from Ayo Bayo. A biltong is basically the South African version of beef jerky. This is sugar-free, so it's a little bit of a different flavor profile. We make the seasoning that goes into their biltong, so we're super proud of that, and we have a partnership with them. The other item that I want to feature is the Virginia Fusion, Smoke and Shine Virginia Fusion. That's one of their flavors. They also have the Virginia Heat and the Virginia Sweet. The Fusion is a combination of both. The Virginia Sweet has some pineapple to sweeten it up. And they're also super local from Clifton. owned by veterans Mac Talbert and Billy Callahan. So a shout out to them. We don't sell this products online, although Ayobayo has that available on their website. So come by and check these products out. So now we're gonna kind of keep on moving. Keep on moving here into our warehouse area and a manufacturing area. Right now, this is kind of the offices, and we have our employee meeting area. So this is our warehouse. This is where we store everything. This is starting up here is retail store inventory, and on the right side, on my right, it would be all the grills and charcoal and more stuff for the store. Right here in this area, this is our shipping area. We do our own distribution at Dizzy Pig. We package and ship from here all over the United States, Canada, and even Europe. So if we move over here, I want to show you, we're building that pallet over there for our friends Barbecue Gourmet UK, which is our partner in Europe. Over here in this side of the warehouse, we have our plastics, and then at the end we have all our spices, herbs, stock right there. As you can see, we have the Dizzy Pig trailer. This is the competition trailer. Over time, the more events we do here, the least amount of competitions we've been doing. We plan to do 2 to 3 this year, and we'll definitely be at the DC Barbecue Battle on June 22nd and 23rd. Come and see us. So from here, we're gonna move into our what we call the production room. Let's turn on the light here. There we go. So we've been working today, doing a few sampler packs, working on our samples. If you're familiar with our product, you know you can get sample size of most of our rubs. We've also been gearing up for spring to make sure we have enough product to supply our retailers, and so they have a great summer. Before we started this video, we were kind of finishing up some fajita-ish. So we still need to package this into our cases. So I guess it's time to go back to work. So thanks for joining us on this Dizzy Thursday Live. We want to thank everybody that supports Dizzy Pig. And next week at 1 p.m. on Thursday, Chris will be back. Thank you.